In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to work on your single leg stability, but we're also going to have a Varus resistance applied during this exercise. So if you're trying to do this, so you're working your single leg stability, you want to apply a Varus resistance, what you need to do is you need to have two things, one of which is a resistance band, and the second thing is to have something that you can pop the resistance band around. In this case, I've got a cable machine which isn't going to move, which means that I can happily do my single leg resistance without having to worry about something toppling over or the health and safety of the exercise. So if I'm working my Varus resistance, it will only work if I pop this band around the leg that's closest towards the anchor point. If I was to put this around my left leg, that would be the opposite, it'd be valgus resistance. So putting it around the leg that's closest is now Varus resistance. If I wanted to work my left leg in this example, I would actually have to face around the opposite way. So my left leg became the leg that was closest towards the anchor point. From here, I place this resistance band just on top of my knee. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come out until I've got enough resistance applied that I'm happy with. My foot is directly facing forwards, and I'm going to come up into my single leg stability. As I do this and I stabilize this position, I'm being dragged this way with my knee and I'm having to constantly try and track it forwards as opposed to letting it just come this way towards where the anchor point is. That's how you work your Varus resistance in a single leg stability drill.